Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we were diving deep into a topic that could completely reshape how we get around: hydrogen cars. Are they the silent heroes of the green revolution, or just a lot of hot air? Let's find out. For decades, we've heard that hydrogen is the fuel of the future. But what does that actually mean? Forget everything you think you know about traditional cars. A hydrogen car, or a fuel cell electric vehicle FCEV, doesn't burn anything. Instead, it works like a mini power plant on wheels. Inside the fuel cell, hydrogen gas from the tank mixes with oxygen from the air. This chemical reaction creates two things: electricity to power the motor and water. Yes, you heard that right. The only thing coming out of the tailpipe is pure water vapor. It's clean, it's quiet, and it's incredibly efficient. So, how do you fill up a hydrogen car? This is where it gets really interesting. Imagine pulling up to a station, but instead of a greasy gasoline pump, you have a sleek, high-tech dispenser. You connect the nozzle to your car's port, and it forms a pressurized, airtight seal. An ultra-cold, compressed hydrogen gas flows from the station's storage tank into your car's reinforced carbon fiber tank. The whole process is incredibly fast. We're talking about a full refill in just 3 to 5 minutes, at the same time it takes to fill up a regular gasoline car. No more waiting hours for your EV to charge. You fill up, and you're back on the road with a range of over 300 miles. It's the convenience we're used to, but with zero emissions. Now, you might be thinking, if this is so great, why isn't everyone driving a hydrogen car? That's the billion-dollar question. The biggest hurdles are infrastructure and cost. Building a network of hydrogen fueling stations is a massive and expensive undertaking. Right now, they're mostly clustered in specific areas, like California, and the cars themselves. They're not cheap. Technology, especially the platinum used in the fuel cells, makes them more expensive to produce than both traditional cars and many battery electric vehicles. Plus, producing the hydrogen itself can be energy intensive. While we can create green hydrogen using renewable energy like solar or wind, a lot of it is still made from natural gas, which has its own carbon footprint. But don't count hydrogen out just yet. The future looks incredibly promising. Governments and private companies worldwide are investing billions to build out the hydrogen infrastructure. Think of it like the early days of gas stations or EV charging networks. It takes time to build. At the same time, researchers are working tirelessly to make fuel cells cheaper and more efficient, looking for alternatives to expensive materials like platinum. We're also seeing major advancements in producing green hydrogen, making the entire cycle, from production to driving, truly sustainable. For heavy-duty transport like trucks and buses, where long range and quick refueling are essential, hydrogen is already emerging as a clear winner. So, what's the verdict? Hydrogen cars offer a fascinating vision for the future of transportation: long range, fast refueling, and zero emissions. While battery electric vehicles have a significant head start, hydrogen technology holds the key to solving some of their biggest limitations, especially for long-haul travel and heavy transport. The road ahead has its challenges, but with continued innovation and investment, we could very well see a future where our cars run on the most abundant element in the universe, leaving nothing behind but a trail of clean water. The future isn't just electric. It might just be hydrogen-powered too. What do you think? Are hydrogen cars the ultimate solution, or a dead end? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.